How to delete your Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on your profile icon. At the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now tap on the search bar and now type delete. Now go to deactivation or deletion. Tap on your Instagram account. Select delete account and tap on continue. Select any option you want to. Now go to continue. Now confirm your password and tap on continue. Now tap on delete account. Now your Instagram account will be deleted within certain period of time. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.